Let's start with the flash dryer. This machine can reduce the moisture percentage from 35% to 12%, 10%, whatever you want. So here we are feeding the sawdust from a conveyor which is coming to a cleaner machine. This cleaner machine will separate sawdust, fine sawdust from the bigger material like the big sticks and this all, and this then the fine material which is coming out of this cleaner will come to the air which is hot and getting heated from a furnace, and the material like the fine sawdust will be directly carried away by the air which is hot. And while it is being transmitted from ducts, as you can see in the video, these are the insulated pipes, and our sawdust is directly going with this air which is hot, and it will reach to the cyclone at the end. As you can see the cyclone, so here it will get discharged. So while moving from the start to the end with the hot air, the moisture of the product can be reduced from 45, 40, 35 to 5%, 7% at any percentage. So for fixing the percentage of dry, we need to vary the temperature of furnace, air temperature we need to vary. This complete dryer is an automatic dryer. All things are automated controlled with an controller, and the heating, the drying time, everything can be vary and can be fixed. So our sawdust will get perfectly dry at whatever percentage we want. Before making the biomass pellet, we have to fix the percentage of moisture in sawdust as 12 to 15%. And now the material which is coming from the dryer is coming to a mixture. In mixture, we will add some more ingredients like the binder and DORB, like the dual drive run, something like that. So we can have a good pelletizing, and after mixing, the material will directly come to this biomass pellet machine, which you can see in the picture. Currently, the machine which we are showing in the video is of 1 ton per hour biomass pellet, and this machine is running with the 150 HP power, and also it has two systems which is above the machine. As you can see here, there is a tank, so it will feed uniformly to the machine, and then there is a preconditioner system where we can add the steam, and after this complete mixed material is coming as a pallet, which you can see in the video. Now here the important part is that the mixture is an important part of the machine, because a pure sawdust sometimes create problem. So for absorbing the extra thrust coming from the machine running, we need to add some binders and some DRV and some wheat flour kind of material, so that the material can bind very finely and the material can come out of the die easily. This machine is a very robust machine, and further the temperature of the material which is coming out of the machine will be around 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, which will throw on the ground so that it can easily cool down to the normal room temperature. So this is a setup for automatic biomass pellet or the sawdust pellet, which can be made from this machine, and the machine is available on 1 ton per hour, 2 ton per hour, and 5 ton per hour and 500 kg per hour capacities. And the material coming out of this machine can be directly conveyed by a conveyor to a dryer, cooler, or packing machine. This is an automatic biomass pellet making setup which can make 6 mm, 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm kind of biomass pellet, and this biomass pellet can easily have a calorific value ranging from 4200 to 4500 and can add a great heat to the furnace. So this is a pellet machine, and the pellet machine can run continuously. Friends, I hope that by this video I have been explained you the how to make the biomass pellet from the sawdust and the agro waste or the any material which you have as an waste. So now don't delay, reach out to our factories which are at Kota, Pune, Hyderabad, Banaras, Guwahati and Agra, and you can select your models, your machineries. You can fix your production capacity, and you can choose machineries by our outlets. And for this purpose you need to place an order to our factories, and then we will deliver the machine within half month to 1 month, and we can reach out these machines to your factory, and we can give you demo at your factory. And this way we can help out the Indian growth scenario by adding an ace of green fuel or biomass pellet machines, biomass pellets, so that we can cut down our dependency on the coal. And please don't delay and reach out to our factories. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for attending this video session, and I hope this is very useful for you, and you can forward these videos to your friends. Please subscribe and like our video. Thank you so much for visiting our video.